Hello, kids. This is Teacher Yumi, your online reading tutor. Welcome to our online reading class. For today's video, we will read sentences. Let's start. My brother is happy. My brother is happy. Okay, your turn to read now. Very good. My sister is cleaning. My sister is cleaning. Your turn. Well done. Mother is cooking dinner. Mother is cooking dinner. Your turn. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Your turn. Great job. Father is busy working. Father is busy working. Your turn. Very good. Grandmother is reading a book. Grandmother is reading a book. Okay, your turn. Well done. Grandfather is watching a movie. Grandfather is watching a movie. Okay, your turn. Great job. Amazingly done. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi. Thank you and God bless. And please follow me also on my Facebook page, Teacher Yumi. Bye.